Hello and welcome to another update video about Solana. Yeah, Solana is doing pretty much very much exactly what we've outlined here on the chart. For the last few days, I've been telling you that we probably started here the wave count to the downside, the impulsive moves to the downside, taking us here into the target area down there, eventually, which will be between $20 and around $32. Yeah, so this yellow area that you can see here is the target area for the higher level waves, which I've been talking about for many months now. We did finally get into it here early in May. So that was all complete, yeah. Originally we started talking about this upcoming correction for Solana already in November, December, and we finally hit this target area. From here, the price had a first chance to reverse back to the upside to finish off the overall correction. It hasn't used the chance so far. And looking at the short-term wave count, the medium-term wave count, we would actually expect another drop as expected in the last, or as already outlined here for the last few days and weeks. Yeah, I've been telling you throughout that I actually expect one more low, because this here counts as a wave 3, then this here counts as a wave 4, this corrective move up, and that we might already be in the impulsive move down. Now what I'm going to do, just to reduce the confusion here, I'll take out some of those patterns that we had on the chart that, by the way, for Solana all worked out. So Solana is really adhering very well to this Elliott wave count here at the moment, which gives me more confidence that it will also work very well going forward, because when you're riding the right waves, then you can be quite sure that the price is going to adhere to it going forward. So what did we have on the chart? So yesterday already we talked about here, days before already, the wave 1 down, which was complete. The wave 2 to the upside came perfectly into this target area here. Yeah, those were the fib levels. Very nice. It reversed down. Now probably in a wave 3. And I told you yesterday or the day before yesterday, already many days ago, that we need to break to confirm that. Yeah, that the wave 2 is over up here. That we need to move down here below $45.90. And that happened finally. Did that happen yesterday? Yeah, that happened yesterday. And we broke below it. And we came all the way down to $41.75. Now let's take a look at if that actually counts as a wave 3. So we start here that wave 1 retracement. Don't know what happened here. Need to use the extensions, of course. Let's try take a look actually. Okay, so we said yesterday in a wave 3 you would need to get to $39, I believe. And yeah, that was my price target for yesterday. And I mean, we pretty much are nearly there, yeah, at $40.45. So for a wave 3, if this is the wave count, again, this doesn't need to be the wave count. It could also be that we only just started a wave 1. This will unfold further going forward. On other price charts, I've actually got the wave 4, yeah, ending here. But we need to be honest here. I mean, for Solana, it really looks like that the wave 4 ended here, and that we're already here in a 1, 2, 3, wave 3 now. So therefore, the wave 3 is down here at $39. Yeah, $39. Yeah. So it would look in a bit more specifically. It would look like that. The wave 1 would need to be here. Wave 3 nearly in the target area. Amazing. Yeah, and then after we reach the $39, that is what I would expect now, and we're coming closer towards it. The wave 4 would need to move up. Where would the wave 4 need to go to? The wave 4, let's just go down to $39, assuming we will reach it. The wave 4 would need to move up to at least $42.78, roughly, yeah. So the 23.6% fib level is the minimum retracement it needs to do. And the 38.2% fib level here at $45 would be the ideal level. Wouldn't be worried if it even gets all the way up to the 50% fib retracement at $46.84. So in the current scenario, the price should not move back above, well, ideally here $50.50. Yeah, ideally not above that level. And I'll put here a line in there. And then the real invalidation point would be that wave 2 high. Yeah, which would be here at around about $54.50. So we shouldn't move, ideally not above $50.40. Yeah, $50.50, and definitely not above $54.50. Those are the levels that we don't want to move above anymore. And yeah, important resistance on the way up would also be here 45.86. It's not an invalidation point, but it's an important resistance level. And as we speak, we are reaching here currently our target of just below $40. So it's just amazing. And then we could move up in a wave 4, a retracement. I would expect that purely by looking at the Elliott wave count. Also, we are pretty much oversold now on the 1 hour chart again, probably on the 4 hour as well. And let's take a look at the 4 hour. Yeah, we are oversold now. That would suggest, yes, there will be some sort of retracement. Already at 23 and nearly there at 39, you can see that. So looking amazing. From here then we would reverse to the downside again. Well, no, reverse to the upside first and then coming down in a wave 5, last impulsive wave down. So we're really getting closer here to the completion of the overall correction. Very happy with that. And yeah, so far it's all adhering to the Elliott wave count. So as soon as we get into this area down here, we just need to make sure the wave 3 is not the shortest wave, but I don't think it is. The wave 1 seems to be the shortest. So the wave 5 can, of course, extend a little bit longer. Yeah, it can. But this is the target area based on the length of the wave 1. So the wave, this can still move a little bit depending on how long the wave 3 will go. But also, key support level is down here at $20. I did mention that before. So this will be in that sort of range down here between $20 and $22. This will be very, very important support. I mean, there will already be probably massive support here where they are overlapping. That lower end of that yellow target area here at $30. That is the 88.7% FIB level. And by the way, we just reached the $39 band. Yeah, we haven't reached 39 yet, but honestly, I'm not worried about a few cents here and there because of the dynamics of the markets and the different exchanges where you can get slightly different prices. So I'm quite happy with that. I would consider that target reached for the wave 3 already. So the 88.7% FIB level is here at $30. And this is where I would expect already the first major support level. Yeah, but overall, yeah, looking really good so far. Solana is adhering to it all. It's dropping quite strongly compared to other cryptos though, which might be a bit concerning for some people. But as long as we haven't really broken below the $20 level, I wouldn't get concerned at all. And also I'm not worried if it breaks briefly below the 88.7% FIB level. To be honest, I actually expect that now in that looking at the medium term wave count. But if it breaks below it, if it breaks below the $30 level, it really needs to reverse as soon as possible. Because otherwise there is a risk that it will not recover. That is just there below the 88.7% FIB level, but it doesn't mean it won't ever recover. It just means it will have more difficulties. And we've seen a few cryptos like, for example, XRP. I think XLM is one that just haven't seen a new all-time high after the last bull market, after they dropped below the 88.7% FIB level. On the other hand, we've seen cryptos that did it, like Cardano. It just is a sign of weakness if you drop below that level and then in the next bull run you're not going to make a new all-time high. That is concerning. So we just need to observe this here closely. And we're already seeing here a small counter reaction to that 1.618 extension, FIB extension around $39 that we've just mentioned. So it's all going according to plan again here for Solana. That's pretty much everything I can tell you now about Solana. Hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then check out the channel membership and maybe the trading course I'm currently offering on morecryptoonline.com. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.